I know I keep showing turkeys, but they're just beautiful out here in the wild. I don't want to go over there. She's taking a bath in charcoal ashes. Oh, is it dead? I think it's dead. Wonder if it dropped off the roof. Ooh. Well, it is dead. I just don't want to throw it on the ground and Sammy chomp on it. Ah! Parts of being in the outdoors. I haven't seen one of these in a while. Got to throw it over here. All right, we're doing a day trip. Hope it's better than our day trip yesterday into Three Rivers. Maybe this one will be a little bit more exciting.
Well, it is Walmart.
Yeah. Walmart, so exciting. That's where we're going, to Walmart. So I don't think I've said where I'm actually headed for this destination. I'm going to the coast, going to the beach. So I went to get the other day, you know, we were at South Lano and it was like 31 degrees in the morning and 50 during the day.
Yeah.
Cold. Well, we get here and it's like 90. And guess who didn't have any shorts? I have one pair of shorts. And it's summer and it's hot. So somebody needs some shorts. And then we're going to the beach and swimming, where we're staying at the RV resort. I don't know if it's a resort. RV.
It says it's a resort.
A resort. RV resort.
Apparently they have a hot
pool,
tub.
Hot tub,
We'll
swimming
guess
pool.
it has swimming
Yeah.
pool.
So we'll do some cooling off, I bet. So somebody needs a new bathing suit because my bathing suit's like 25 years old or older. All the elastics are hardy. You know, it's
Not even elastic anymore.
It's not even elastic. It's gone. It's deteriorated.
Take the next right.
Vaporized.
Vaporized. So somebody needs a new bathing suit. So we're going to Walmart and going shopping. So maybe this trip will be a little bit more exciting than the one we went on yesterday. There is a Stuckey's. A real Stuckey's. I didn't realize that they were still in business. And me and my brother, we would go, stop at Stuckey's, stop at Stuckey's, stop at Stuckey's. It kind of looks like a Love's or Pilot.
Yeah, it does.
Like, what's for lunch? I'm actually going to get a Whataburger from Whataburger.
Whataburger from.
Okay, we got to stop at Stuckey's. I got to go in. All right, these are like beaver nuggets. That's cheating. Look at all the beef jerky. God, lots of it. Peanut brittle. They got all kinds of... Well, here I am again. We went to... where did we go? Where did we go? I'll put it down here because I can't remember. Started with a P. Pleasanton. Something like Pleasanton. I think that's it. So I was basically just going there to get shorts and bathing suit at a Walmart there, and that was successful. So got my bathing suit and some shorts and a little top that goes over your bathing suit and bathing suit. And now we're back at camp. It's about 6 o'clock. And I realized this is a video about nothing. It really is, because other than the nature sounds this morning and the animals, yeah, I didn't film anything. Sometimes I always go to myself, what kind of YouTuber are you? Because you forget to turn on the camera, you forget to get the camera out. And the intro this morning, I had to record it twice because I didn't push the button. So today has not been a really great filming day. So anyway, I'm still gonna put this video up because I'm doing one every day. And you do get to hear and see the beautiful wildlife and that one during the middle of the night. I am going to include that. So anyway, unless something else happens in the next few hours, this is the end of this video, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Oh, guess what? Tomorrow's travel day.